Best deals.
1. Melon Bala Scoop Set. Embrace effortless kitchen prep with this stainless steel fruit scooper that seamlessly divides into 3 unique tools. Ideal for creating perfect scoops from watermelon, cantaloupe, and kiwi, this multifunctional gadget also serves as an ice cream scoop, tomato halwa, butter shaper, and meatball maker, ensuring a versatile culinary experience. Each of these 3 fruit tools has dual-end design, which greatly enhances their functionality and efficiency in the kitchen, perfect for preparing melons, papayas, and other fruits for salads or desserts. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Oil dispenser. Made from high-quality, durable stainless steel for long-lasting use and resistance to rust and corrosion. Features a secure, leak-proof cap to prevent spills and ensure mess-free pouring of oils, vinegar, or sauces. Safe, non-toxic material perfect for storing cooking oils, vinegar, and other liquids without any harmful chemicals. Ideal size for everyday kitchen use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Organizer. It is a rotating spice rack that makes spices more accessible without taking up excessive room in your cupboard, refrigerator, closet, or kitchen countertop. Better gathers various office supplies and other items, easy to use, saves space, and keeps the area organized. Spinner organizer is not just for spices, but also for your vanity, bathroom. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Strainer. Is designed for deep frying, puri frying, and other cooking tasks, making it an essential kitchen tool for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Perfect for frying utensil you need for frying up your favorite French fries, vegetables, meats and more. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ravioli maker. Made in Italy from food-grade casting aluminum with a sturdy base for long-lasting durability. Includes beechwood rolling pin, easily seal and cut ravioli in one smooth motion using the included traditional wooden rolling pin. Designed to create a tight seal, preventing fillings from leaking during boiling or cooking. Suitable for beginners and experts. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Soap dispenser. Made of high-quality ABS material, safe BPA-free, environmental health, and corrosion-resistant. Fashionable and convenient practical, features a dual-pump design. It has 2 separate soap bottles, handwash bottle and dishwash bottle, allowing you to accommodate 2 different types of soap. One side is for hand soap, while the other side is for dish soap. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Rice pot drainer stand. Simplify your post-cooking routine with a rice pot drainer stand. It's a strong tri-steel rice strainer pot with lid-free operation. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Pepper shakers. Has rotating dials to adjust the size of the holes, making it easy to grasp and control the amount of salt cellar for a precise and simple sprinkling of flavor on your favorite foods. The refilling salt shaker and pepper shaker has a wide mouth design. Simply unscrew the stainless steel lids for a quick and easy refill. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grape slicer. Sharp serrated blade, non-slip plunger, semi-wrapped designed to quickly, easily and safely cut the grape and cherry tomatoes into quarters rather than smash the grape and take the skin off. Grape cutter for toddlers, food grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Momus dumpling maker. Made of high quality environmentally friendly plastic, healthy and hygienic, creative in shape and easy to operate. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cake leveler cutter. Has an accurate scale, the thickness can be adjusted to keep the cake layered in the accuracy and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Egg cutter. Slice or wedge boiled eggs, bananas, mushrooms, and soft fruits. Has a strong frame built for long-lasting use. It has a space-saving design, dishwasher safe. Ideal for home kitchens and food presentation. It's stylish. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Steel colander strainer. Made of premium quality stainless steel material and with food grade. This is ideally used for kitchen in draining rice, dals, fruits, vegetables, grains, pastas, noodles and other foods. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mini Whisker. The handle is rust resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy storage, a must-have for home cooks and restaurant chefs. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cutting Board. Comes with a convenient integrated knife sharpener, so your blades stay sharp while you prep. No need for extra tools in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, this board is strong enough to handle meats, bones, and tough veggies with ease. Use one side for meat and another for vegetables or fruits, reducing cross-contamination. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bamboo Sushi Rolling Mat. It's great for anyone who just wants a making-at-home sushi kind of night. So get this kit and do it yourself or with friends and family. Mat rolls into a tidy cylinder to shape the rice, seaweed, veggies, and seafood that make up. The bamboo curtain is dense and even, and the fragrance of bamboo is light. Enjoy making new foods at home for your family and practice eating homemade sushi with chopsticks that feature detailed. You can also cook sushi rolls with your children. All the parts are made of food-grade, BPA-free plastic. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Spiralizer. Bring this new spiralizer into your healthy meal routine. With the ability to create long, curly strands or noodles from a variety of vegetables, such as zucchini, carrots, or potatoes, the spiralizer offers endless possibilities for creative and nutritious meals. Whether you are making vegetable pasta, salads, stir-fries, or even garnishes, this kitchen tool provides a quick and efficient way to add more veggies to your plate. The spiralizer is equipped with 4 blades that are easily switchable, allowing you to customize the thickness of the strands according to your preference or the texture of the food you are spiralizing. From thin spaghetti-like strands to thicker ribbons, you have full control over the presentation and texture of your vegetable noodles. This spiralizer features a comfortable handle that allows for easy rotation of the food on the machine. The clamp design ensures that the food remains securely held in place during operation, preventing any mishaps or accidents. This secure gripping feature ensures precise and consistent spiralizing, regardless of the size or shape of the vegetables. The addition of a suction cup base ensures that the vegetable spiralizer remains firmly attached to the kitchen counter or surface during use. This stability guarantees that the machine doesn't wobble or move around, providing a safe and secure spiralizing experience. You can confidently spiralize your vegetables without fear of the equipment sliding or losing its grip, making the entire process hassle-free. Product link is given in the 17th link.